You'll get to know the 11 unknown rules of money you need to master to get rich. Keep watching this video till the end as all the rules are important for you to follow. Now let's start. Number 1. Assess your earnings. Comprehending your income begins with identifying the total amount you receive each month from your employment or additional avenues, including investments. You should also know how taxes and deductions reduce your take-home pay, so you can budget accurately. For instance, if your annual income is $100,000, what would be your monthly take-home pay? This provides a comprehensive overview to develop your financial landscape. Your take-home pay might be as high as $7,000 per month roughly, and it could vary from place to place, considering you're an American. Number 2. Ensure your expenditures do not exceed your income. Although it appears straightforward to refrain from exceeding your income, the reality is that various factors, such as credit cards, societal influences, and social media, make it increasingly challenging to maintain this discipline. It is essential to actively manage your spending to ensure you stay within your budget, as this will help you steer clear of debt and minimize financial anxiety. It's important to keep in mind that overspending can lead to a cycle that results in higher debt repayments than you might have anticipated. Keep in mind that setting aside funds is an essential aspect of ensuring your financial well-being. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more rules of money. Number 3. Organize your budget and monitor your spending. It is essential to take initiative and establish a budget to gain clarity on your monthly income and expenses. There are numerous effective budgeting tools available. Select one that aligns with your financial needs and goals. One effective budgeting strategy is the 70-20-10 approach. The 70-20-10 budgeting rule offers a straightforward approach to financial management by allocating your income into 3 distinct categories: 70% for essential living expenses, 20% for savings and investments, and 10% for debt repayment or charitable contributions. It's common to feel overwhelmed when managing a budget. By categorizing your priorities, you can ensure that your essential needs are addressed while avoiding unnecessary expenses. It emphasizes the importance of establishing an emergency fund, advocates for prudent debt management, and supports community contributions. This budgeting guideline could be particularly beneficial for individuals experiencing a higher cost of living in comparison to their income. Number 4. Conduct thorough research prior to significant expenditures. Conducting thorough research prior to significant purchases involves dedicating time to collect relevant information about the product or service you are contemplating. Conducting thorough research guarantees that you are maximizing the value of your investment and steering clear of any regrets in the future. Staying informed can lead to significant savings and empower you to make more strategic choices. Number 5. Strategize for your retirement. I frequently express the desire for educational institutions to incorporate lessons on financial management and the significance of retirement planning into their curriculum. It's important to plan for your financial future and consider how you will sustain yourself once you retire from your career. It is common for individuals to allocate their earnings towards immediate expenses, often overlooking the importance of prioritizing savings for retirement. There are various straightforward methods to establish automatic savings, including contributing to retirement plans or designating a specific amount from each paycheck to save, enabling it to accumulate over time. Number 6. Implement a system for automatic savings. I strongly advocate for the advantages of automating your savings, as it simplifies the process and reduces financial stress. It's certainly appealing, isn't it? Consider a scenario where your teenage son secures a part-time job, generating an income of $200 each week. It would be beneficial for him to establish a bank account that automatically transfers $20 into a savings account immediately after he receives his paycheck. This approach ensures that he remains unaware of the funds being depleted. With consistent effort, he will gradually establish a solid savings buffer without needing to focus on it actively. Are you aware of the various subscriptions that may be quietly impacting your monthly budget? The business models of these companies demonstrate success due to their ability to secure automatic payments. Consider a scenario where Netflix reaches out to you every month to verify your intention to continue your subscription for the upcoming month. What would be the potential financial loss they might incur? Your savings plan should reflect the same principles. Failing to make it automatic can lead to missed opportunities. Number 7. Make informed investment choices and avoid attempting to predict market fluctuations. Making informed investment decisions involves allocating your resources to reliable companies that have demonstrated consistent performance, rather than taking unnecessary risks by attempting to predict market fluctuations. It's important to keep in mind that successfully navigating the market requires precision at two critical moments: when you make your purchase and when you decide to sell. This approach carries inherent risks. Given that even the majority of professionals struggle to outperform the market, what makes you think you will achieve better results? Instead, concentrate on long-term investments in high-quality businesses that are positioned for growth over time. This strategy alleviates the pressure of continuously monitoring market fluctuations and facilitates a more consistent investment approach. Number 8. Gain a clear understanding of taxes. Grasping the intricacies of taxes is essential, as they influence every facet of financial management, including your earnings, investment strategies, and estate considerations. For individuals across various income levels, the tax obligation often represents the most significant financial outlay of the year. It is beneficial to stay informed about your tax obligations and seek opportunities to minimize them whenever feasible. Taxes diminish your take-home pay, making it essential to factor them into your budgeting process. Taxes have the potential to reduce your overall investment returns. It's important to evaluate the investments and accounts that offer favorable tax treatment and to be aware of the tax implications when you decide to sell your assets. In the realm of estate planning, it is crucial to comprehend the implications of taxes on inheritance and gifts to guarantee that your beneficiaries obtain the fullest advantages possible. By evaluating the influence of taxes on your financial choices, you can develop strategies that enable you to retain a greater portion of your wealth. Number 9. Eliminate consumer debt. Eliminating consumer debt is essential as it allows you to allocate your funds towards savings and investments rather than merely covering interest payments on loans. When facing debt, particularly from credit cards and personal loans, the accumulation of interest can escalate rapidly, hindering your ability to reach your financial objectives. Minimizing or completely removing debt alleviates anxiety and is a crucial move towards establishing a stable financial future. Number 10. Establish an emergency fund. An emergency fund serves as a crucial buffer when unexpected events arise, such as unemployment or health crises. This approach can assist you in steering clear of debt and maintaining your budget on track. Your emergency fund should ideally encompass 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. Number 11. Focus on sustaining or enhancing your credit score. It is essential to focus on maintaining or enhancing your credit score, as it directly influences your borrowing capacity and the interest rates associated with loans and credit cards. Improving your credit score can lead to more favorable loan conditions, ultimately resulting in significant savings in the long run. To enhance your credit score, it is advisable to pay your bills punctually, maintain low balances on your credit cards, and refrain from opening multiple accounts simultaneously. Now, watch the video appearing on the right side to know the rule of compounding that shows why compounding feels slow. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 11,000 subscribers.